Here in Hazlet, New Jersey, looks like these cops are doing a sting or trapping people. See how I was out in the middle of the road? They're pulling people up down the road here for not stopping. How's it going?
Hi.
So this is what we do with taxpayer money. We walk up and down the street in the crosswalks here. So look, see the sign that they have over there? They took it down. That says to stop in the middle of the crosswalk here. So look, here's the cop here. This guy's a cop. So he's a cop. So just going back and forth. See how he's got an orange thing on? That way they could say that you can't miss him. But notice how they have the sign down that says to stop. See it? So we have a little trap going on. So look at this bullshit. This is what we have money for. So this is what we got money for. Just walking back and forth. They're pulling them over down the road here. So look at this bullshit. Just walking back and forth. When's the last time these lines were even painted? So they got nothing better to do. We'll just sit here and do this. Just stop. 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 Just back and forth doing bullshit. And you got this lady jaywalking. Hey, she's jaywalking. Why don't you do something about that? I guess that don't matter. I guess that's not important today. Wasting resources. So he's got the radio on him. So see, down there is the cop that's going to be pulling him over. See him? This This is what we do with, so look, this guy's probably waiting to, I'm good. This guy's probably waiting to pull people over here. It looks like this guy's concerned about me. See, he's on the phone, he's looking at me. See? So they wait for the traffic to get a little bit busy and then just walk across. You just stop. This guy's a cop. It's a cop. He's entrapment. Oh, that's why you had to stop. Can I get your name and badge number? So I guess this area is not working for them anymore. But notice how they're putting the sign back because they know they were breaking the law by not having it out, like it normally is. Can you get your name and badge number? Sorry? Your name and badge number.
Patrolman Wood, badge number 85, Hazlet Township Police Department.
All right. Why did you guys take that down? That's there all the time. How come you guys took that down from the street?
We took it out of the street because we were walking back and forth.
But does that make any sense? It tells people to stop for people in the crosswalk. Does that make any sense to you? To take down something that's there normally all the time?
So we're out here doing pedestrian enforcement for people crossing.
You're entrapping people, because especially you take the sign down that says to stop. Yeah, I know what the fuck you're doing. No, I know what you're doing.
We're issuing this.
I know what you're doing.
Okay.
You ain't doing shit. Asshole. So let's see if they put their seatbelts on. No seatbelt. Look. I guess you guys don't believe in seatbelts, right? Right? So let's see if he stops at the stop sign. Nope. Right through the stop sign. That's a California roll. So why'd they block that road off? It's going to block off roads. Now we're driving on the wrong side of the road. Oh, we stop it. There's no fucking stop sign there. What a coincidence. They start getting recorded and they fucking leave. What a coincidence. So we have one of the officers here that I guess is handing out whatever they're handing out. And not interested in propaganda. So look, here's their bullshit. Here's the bullshit that they're doing. Oh, look at that car. It's parked right in the fucking fire zone. Right next to a hydrant. I guess that shit don't matter. Excuse me, officer.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you guys are supposed to wear seatbelts? Is that in your policy?
Are you supposed to wear a seatbelt?
Yeah.
Everybody's supposed to wear seatbelts.
Oh, excellent. I'd like to do an IA then.
Alright, well, you know what head code is that?
I want to do it with you right now.
I don't do IAs. You could go to.
No, I could do an IA with you, any officer at any time. That guy's parked in the next to a fire hydrant in a no
Alright,
parking
well,
fire
If
lane.
you want to make a complaint,
Can you just give that guy a ticket for park
You
there?
could call into headquarters, and you could do what you got to do.
Officer, I want to file a complaint now with you against an
I'm
officer.
gonna get. I'm not on the road, so I'll
I
get a
don't
unit.
care. I
I'll
want
get
to
a
do it with
unit over
you
here.
now.
I'm not gonna do it with you right now. So
Really?
yeah, because there's gonna be another officer that's gonna come.
I don't
and do
need
it.
that. I need you.
I'm not.
The
working
state
the road.
law,
I'm not working. the
state
road.
law says any officer at any time could take any complaint.
Gotcha.
So you're refusing to. And I guess we could park in no parking fire lane next to a hydrant. That's cool. And you stand there and watch that. And you're a field training officer and you don't know anybody could file a complaint with any officer at any time?
No, I do know that.
So why are you refusing then?
Because right now I'm not working the road right now.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't say except for people working the road right now.
Well, if you want to speak to my supervisor, you can speak.
Yeah,
to my
let's
supervisor.
talk to them about you too.
Yeah, that's fine.
So you're going to refuse to issue that person the ticket that's
Listen,
parked.
If you want to speak to my supervisor, you speak to my supervisor.
So again, you're refusing to issue that person the ticket
I'm
then.
gonna keep repeating myself, sir.
What a douchebag. So you enforce the law when you feel like it.
Hey, anybody in the road better with the help
Can I get your name, badge number?
Patrolman Torres, badge number 97. Actually, 6'2".
So again, the person's parked illegally in a fire lane next to a hydrant, and you're refusing to do anything about it.
He's over here, I guess the fire people are over here doing work at the firehouse, and there's a person parked in the fire zone, and he wants to make it. So I told him my person wasn't going to do it, not with the road, and I was going to move it over here. But he wants to do it. Yep. Yeah, I got it. Alright. Yeah, so I was showing how we just using the bathroom and left everything down to the lab. Alright, not a problem. Alright, my supervisor's on his left.
Okay, awesome. Who is it?
Lieutenant Randolph.
Is your body camera on?
Absolutely, sir.
Awesome.
It's like you're recording, I'm recording.
You have to do it by law. 2021-5.
Oh, I'm glad you know my job.
Oh, I do know your job. 2021-11 says I can record you anytime I want.
I know that, so
Yeah, and Ramos versus Flowers, Glick versus Conniff.
seems like you're very educated.
Oh, yeah, I know. Sued plenty of fucking towns, including Hazlet.
Sir, I'll be clear, no report. Warning.
And I know you're supposed to issue him a ticket, but you're just gonna...
Like I told you, I'm not working the road.
Doesn't matter. So if you see a murder right now and some dude run down the road, well, hey, it's not my job today. I'm not...
That's why I said I was going to call for another unit.
It doesn't matter. You're seeing it. You're law enforcement.
And I notified another unit.
Holy cow. This will play great.
First name again?
I didn't give it.
What?
I didn't give it.
Actually, what's your first name?
Yeah, I'm not telling it.
You're good. You're good. leaving. My lieutenant's
Awesome.
coming over here to talk to you.
Yep. Falling eye on you too for refusing to do a internal affairs investigation when requested. Yep, will do. 3 and you don't get promoted. Cool. You're red flagged. And you're not going to tell them to move their car that's parked illegally. You're not going to tell them to do that.
So you can talk to my supervisor.
You know, you can talk to the Attorney General's office when we do that. So we just allow people to break the law, and we just look the other way and go, not my job today. And Hazlet, isn't your policy to show ID? I'd like to see your ID as well.
Like I say, talk to my supervisor.
No, I'd like to see your ID. That's part of your policy.
Patrolman Torres.
No, it's your policy is to show ID.
Well, if you want to make that complaint, you can make that complaint too.
Wow, you're refusing to do that too.
I don't have my ID on me right now, so
You're driving without ID?
I don't have my work ID on me, so.
Really? Guess you gotta learn how to ride a bike. Yeah, happy Easter. Wish you would just do your job. Nice stop sign. Wow. So Hazlet Township doesn't enforce parking illegally. They roll through stop signs. So again, if you look down there, see the sign down there in the middle of the road? They took that down and I kept on walking across and had people pulled over. Very interesting. So now I guess these guys here are kind of working another road. And I got no qualms about the fire department, really. I think they do an excellent job. I think that we definitely need them. But if you're the fire department, you would think that you wouldn't park in a fire lane. They would just park in one of these spots here that are all over the place. But I guess that's me. I don't know. And all he also had to do is say, hey, listen, move your car. You know, but he sat there and talked to these guys for a while, knowing that they're parked illegally. But, you know, he gets paid just to kind of chit-chat and not enforce anything. So we'll stop the video here, come back.